How hard is this to do? No, sorry.
I'm most worried about getting the right amount of twist on it.
Oh, okay, got you.
I mean, it doesn't stay
Halfway.
almost all the way around. One person could probably help by holding this down, and that.
Yeah, using the safety glasses.
Okay.
Goggles.
Yeah. Okay, whatever. You want to hold this thing down because it's going to take steady.
What am I doing?
Oh, these are nice.
Yeah, those are the ones that were all special. These were my backups.
Safety first.
Oh yeah.
Do you have it? Oh, you got it.
I got mine. He's
Jason,
down.
sorry.
What do I
Just
do?
grab this here, there, and there, and just make sure, hold it still. Now I'm going to twist.
Should I twist the other way? Help you out.
Is that the right direction?
Yeah.
That's
Holy
about
shit.
140, I think.
Sure.
Oh.
We're gonna have to get a new bite on it.
Let go.
How bad did you?
It popped my thumb. I mean, good thing we got
Don't pull that
goggles.
open until we're ready.
Because that, dude, if that would hit someone's eye, that would hurt pretty bad.
Basically, what you want to do is when I get this down, you're gonna want to then open it up. Because once I get it down, it'll be easy to hold. Then you open it up, and
You're gonna have to take a picture of this, too, Jason.
and just put it
Of
right.
what? Your thumb?
Yeah, it's slowly starting to wilt.
Good baby. No. You're gonna put it over it, and then work one side down over the ring, and then you can work the whole thing. You're not gonna get the whole thing all at once.
Okay.
So like basically do like a circle on it.
Does it matter which side?
Hmm?
Like which direction? Because it looks like one's one thing.
Yeah, I just put it the same way it went. So that way.
Down.
Yeah. Doesn't really matter. It shouldn't, but.
You have a very important job, Steven.
Yeah, these things don't fit on. Maybe that's a little better.
One of these holes should be worn.
Got you good on that, don't you?
Yeah, you asshole.
It was my fault.
Looks like it was that one there. So from there, this should be pointing towards me pretty much.
Yep.
We're stuck on this one. We need to.
Tap it in. It doesn't tap it.
Well, that's locked, so we can let that go. Let the tension out. We won't have it.
There you go.
All right.
Carefully do it. There we go.
On?
Let go. All right.
Alright.
Dude, that's a lot of faith in that little tiny thing to hold that.
That thing's in shear all the way around, so that's good.
Oh, dude, that hurt.
What's it feel like? Just
That's it.
intact?
No, it doesn't.
Does it
It's
cut
not that
you?
bad. It's more of like, I guess, getting shot by a BB gun.
Yeah, I got
Same thing?
war wound. Yeah, it hit me right here. Whatever. My hand. It's not as bad as this one. When that thing popped off, I had the puller here, and the thing was under here, and this flew up and smashed my finger on the puller.